everybody, my name is Sherry. Welcome to my stamp studio. So I got this box. I don't even know what day I got it, Thursday or Friday, and today's Tuesday, even though it feels like a Monday. You can see the blue sticker. I paid expedited shipping, but I haven't, well, I opened it, but I didn't look at anything because I wanted to do an unboxing, and I just flat ran out of time. It's been crazy, crazy, crazy busy around here, and I wanted to open it with you. So let's open it, and because this is a pre-order for the July online exclusive. So July's a fair minute off, right? And a lot of it, it's all wonderful, but a lot of it is Halloween and fall and Christmas. Perfect for those of you that want to do a Christmas in July event. But I'm getting ready to go on the Stampin' Up! Trip to Alaska. I have with the new catalog coming out, I had so many glasses. Sorry, I thought stuff was going to fall off the table. I got a little bit behind. I'm catching back up. I don't think I was really behind. I think I just set really high expectations of myself, and I did maybe one too many glasses in May, so I ran out of time. This week I have a couple of days because, it's the Tuesday that feels like a Monday, so I've lost a day, and we leave at the end of the week for Alaska. But part of the reason I was saying that was because it does not feel anything like Christmas. Maybe it will in Alaska. Hopefully not. But I don't feel like Christmas. I don't feel like Halloween. So I got some of the new papers, the new ribbons, the new embellishments. And then I got this, which is, I can't wait to use it. And this is why I have to do the video now, so I can use it. But this is called Ink Floret. And it's one massively huge stamp, which is to size on here. So that's the size of the stamp. This is what I'm going to make my swaps for Alaska. So yes, I need to get going on those. So that's why that was the main reason I expedited it, because I didn't get a lot of stuff, but I knew you'd be excited to see what I did get. So let's look at it. This, I have some of it, I will say something and it may be wrong because it's an online exclusive. I have no catalog here to look at. I think this is a standalone textured 3D embossing folder of tree rings. I thought about maybe putting it with this, but now that I see it together, I think that might be too much. We'll see. This, I think, is part of a Christmas suite, Swirls of Magic. If you do Christmas in July, there will be a lot to pick from. I don't typically do much Christmas in July. These are obviously Christmas, and look how much fun they are. Adhesive-backed mini Christmas buttons. Even if I couldn't tell by the colors, I would have known by the description, but they have silver edging on them. There is a quilting suite. It's Christmas quilting. This is from the Violets, which I did not get, partly because I have not used everything that I got from the last time, and I wasn't going to buy new stuff if I hadn't used my previous stuff. So look how pretty those are. And they do go with the Violet suite, which has paper. I don't think I got the paper. These, I have no idea what these are. Gilded Wing Accents. Those are beautiful. Maybe those will make... Sometimes in the summer, I like to do something a little bit different with card club, so maybe we'll use these. Those are kind of fun. This was another thing that I thought I might use on my swaps. It is in color gingham paper. I was really excited to see this. I have in color ribbon that I could use with when you don't design your swaps until you need them in a couple of days, to make quantities of anything can be a little bit of a challenge. So here's Peaceful Pine. So we have two sizes. There's Hydrangea Hue, Barely Blush, Golden Glow, and Crisp Cantaloupe. Look at that. I've memorized the names. That's a feat in itself. 2 packs of that in case I did decide to use it. I also thought about the butterflies. And here's some more. Everyday Border Accents. Those go with the butterflies, which gives me more ideas of possibly using it for card club. And then this is a Wink of Stella paper. When they showed it to us on camera a couple of weeks ago, it was hard to see. So we'll see if you can see it. But it's like paper that's already been decorated with Wink of Stella. I don't think it was part of a suite. But it is very shimmery. I have no idea because I've set my camera a little high. I can't see what it's showing you. So we have stripes. It's all stripes, just stripes. turn it this way in case you can see those better. I'll move it up a little bit slower. I did think about using this on my swaps. I don't know. At this point, it's going to be whatever's the quickest, right? And then I got new ribbons, which this one obviously goes with the Christmas suite. It is real red and white. Check. Striped. This one goes with the violet suite, which is fresh freesia. It's a satin. And this one is black. It goes with the Halloween suite. I thought maybe I got the Halloween embellishments. I guess I didn't get anything. The morning I placed the order, I was just looking at it to see what I could possibly use for my swaps. And then you may have noticed I had these, and you might have thought, I thought the snips were no longer available. Well, that is true. These are not snips. They are a new, for at least these snips, which I have like, I don't know, I maybe have 12 pairs of these. They're all around my house. I keep some in my car. I have some always packed in my, I can already feel they're different here. I think I touch these so often that it's kind of like a counterfeit thing. So we'll do a little comparison. They're not terribly different, but they're not made by the same people. I think the only thing that feels different is the way that feels. But otherwise they look pretty similar. But at least they're back, because I know a lot of you have been wanting some snips and you would like to be like me and have them everywhere because they're so convenient. And they're great when you have like extra points that you need, extra rewards, and you're like, oh, I'm gonna get myself some free good scissors. So there you go. Come back. I will have my I'll post my swap video. I'll try to do it around the same time that the Stampin' Up! Cruise leaves. Maybe a day or two after. We don't get our swaps until later on because it's an organized swap. We don't stand there and swap. They do it for us. So we just turn them in and then we get them back towards the end of the trip. So that's what I have. Tell me what you're most excited to see, even though there wasn't a lot of it. Have a great one. Bye.